Migrate your YouTube subscribers to email subscribers. I'll show you why you need to do it and how to do it. Coming up now. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Dustin Howes here again, spreading that good word about affiliate marketing. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. You don't want to miss out on affiliate management tips. Today's topic is YouTube. You might be on it right now, and you probably recognize the influential power that it possesses. But you might also be coming to realize that you're at the mercy of all-powerful Google. No matter if you have 100 or 1,000,000 subscribers, the best time to start migrating your followers to your website is right now. And here's why. Reason number one, YouTube can shut down your channel for any reason at any time. You might have heard some nightmare stories, but I have personally seen it happen to dozens of influencers out there. One day they have 100,000 subscribers and an engaged audience, and the next day the channel is gone and the loyal audience just sees this. Stupid monkey. Get out of here. YouTube is the judge, jury, and executioner for what constitutes a violation of terms of service, which is constantly changing. 3 strikes and you're out. These 3 strikes could come at any 3 times in 3 consecutive hours, and you'll never even have an appeal process. You can appeal it, you can plead your case, but no one at Google is listening or going to respond unless you have at least 100,000 subscribers. Do I seem bitter? Only because this happened to me last week. This is a new channel. Reason number 2, you don't own the platform. One of the main reasons you move subscribers over to your website is that YouTube is not your platform. Sure, you might own the channel, but the reality is that you're just renting it from Google. All your hard work just disappears from one click from a Google employee or a Google bot, and so does your audience. See ya! If you want control on how you connect with your audience, get them in a cadence to visit your website. Speaking of which, go to dustinhowes.com right now and check out some more of my affiliate marketing content. Selfless plug. This is my channel. Of course I'm going to plug it. Idiot. Reason number 3, YouTube is a means to an end. Building an audience on YouTube is cool, but it should not be your end goal. It should be a means to an end. You must use YouTube to achieve your other business goals. And to do that, consider YouTube to be part of like your sales funnel. You used to drive people to your website and then you close them out. It's a particularly great tool for affiliate marketing websites, and you can use it to showcase all of the products that you're promoting. This is going to get you more clicks on your links, which leads to more dough in your pockets. Bottom line, I can't emphasize this enough. Migrate your audience over as soon as possible before YouTube takes it all away and you've got nothing. So how do you do it? Well, head on down to the description. Click that first link to my blog post going through the entire process. I've been building websites for 10 plus years now. For myself and for clients, I've gone through a lot of growing pains during that time to where I am today with DustinHowes.com. And I want to help you avoid those turmoils that I actually went through. So on this blog post, I give you the ideal tech stack. Using WordPress and plugins, I give you other options to fast-track solutions that might be a better fit for you. Oh, and just one more note. YouTube shut my channel down one day after that blog post that's in this description. Coincidence? I don't know. So if you're a YouTuber looking to diversify that audience, go check out that blog post. That's it for me, folks. Keep those clicks coming, and I'll catch you next time.